All right, everyone. How is everyone doing? Happy Sunday to you all. This is your girl, your one and only Precious Coco in the house. I want to thank everybody for joining today. I want to thank my viewers. I want to thank my subscribers. I want to thank my sharers. I want to thank my likers. Thank you all so very much for your support. And also, please, you can follow me on Instagram at PreciousCoco_. And also, you can follow me on YouTube on Precious Coco. And please don't forget, my page on Facebook is Precious Coco. Please follow me, hit the notification button so that whenever I'm on live, you guys will be alert. So right now, today we're just going to play some Christian music. Like I told you guys, I'm going to be changing the method of, playing some music, not just hip hop and all that, okay? So today we're going to play some Christian music, and we're going to start with a, product of grace before we dig into matter we carry us come. Hi, Christy, how are you? Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. So please enjoy this music just for about a second. Then, we begin. I'm a product of grace. I'm the light in the darkness. It is all by your grace. Yes, so it's all by His grace. It is all by your Hi, Christy. Thank you for joining. Please, if you are just joining, invite your friends. Share this video, please. I lift my hands in praise. You are the greatest, oh Lord. I bow before your throne. Please let me know if the sound is okay. If you can hear me, let me know. If everything is clear, let me know. Hi Adesua, thank you for joining. Hi Betsy, my one and only. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Please share this video, like this video, invite your friends, please. We have an interesting topic to discuss today. We're going to play this music while we are waiting for people to join in. It is all by your mercy. You are the greatest. Oh Lord. Thank you all for joining. Happy Sunday, everyone. Good. Thank you. You are the greatest, oh Lord. I live before your throne. How is your day going? I hope you guys are having a fabulous day today. Thank you all for joining. Invite your friends. Share the video, please. All right, guys. I want to thank everybody for joining today, because today is Sunday. You could be with your family doing one or two things, but thank you all for joining. Thank you for your support. Please invite your friends, share this video, like this video, support me, and I want to appreciate everyone. So we have an interesting discussion today, and this discussion is not just for only me one. We're going to rub minds together. Tell me what you think. If you have your comments, please just put it below the box right there. So today, like I said, we're going to play some Christian music because, today we have to fill our soul with, the word of God. Let me put it that way. So the discussion we have today is about zip up, because a lot is going on, especially with the married men. You understand what I'm saying? And matter when I want to talk today, make I go for broken English, because the reason when I want to go for broken English, some people say make I add more broken to run. So we want to talk about this married men, and married men, when they say they get distance, relationships, maybe their wife they Lagos, they Abuja, or their wife they Kanu, they Kafansha. So those one are the discussion when it be say now we want to discuss, because a lot of stuff they go when it be say it they cause commotion. And also some men there when it be say they know they feel they zip their pants up. You understand? They're married. Maybe they travel for 2 days or 1 day, they don't feel hold themselves. I don't know why they don't go feel hold themselves. They look for small children when they be say they want carry, take do experiment. Like I say, if you know say those small girls where they outside, they give you joy. They make you happy because of the way where they treat you. They give you different styles and different position. If not that one now una like, I don't tell una before, say make una tell una wife, make una introduce am to una wife, say my wife, oh, this position when it be say I like this position, e get as you go take put am, she no go even know say na wetin you dey do for outside. Because the reason why you won't do that one na to avoid make e be say make you know they go outside, go they do the things when e be say e go cause wahala. Okay, just look at what they trade now. There's something trading in right now concerning the 21-year-old girl wey kill a whole MD, a whole CEO of a company. You understand? That man, he get family, he get children, he get wife. But because of 5 minutes pleasure, the man just lost his life like that. That one a shame. 21-year-old stabbed the guy to death. Even though the girl story no add up. You understand? The girl story no add up. But before the girl go even get power to stab the guy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there must be something going on. And meanwhile, you know, say they don't already order some drugs. That man is already, they don't already drug him down. You know, go fit fight back. The girl say the man choke him. Only God know how. Because this girl, she don't already dey high. Probably she don't take him before. And this man, he never take him before. She want introduce him to him. The man take him. You don't know where he dey again. You know, because when somebody don't already dey high, before you go do something drastic, you no go know. Because you know they operate within yourself. Now there's something where you take, now they operate you. But we pray, may God help us and make we not be victim of waiting they go on. You understand? So I want to talk to all the married men. I beg, if you don't say where you dey, your wife no dey there, like I say. 1 minute, 2 minutes. Enjoyment we go bring big problem. I beg, make una try, make una avoid them. Because not be the right thing to do. Especially when it be say you know say you dey married. If you don't say you know if you hold yourself, you know if you zip your pants up, tell your wife make she follow you. That one go avoid the kind problem when it be say it they go on. Because these days you go see some young girls, you go see say they very, very simple. You go see say they quiet, they don't fit keep flight. Most of those quiet girls, when it be say they are professional, they know what thing they do. So I want to talk to all the married men. I beg, make una dey zip una pants. Make una keep am. 2 days if una no get sex, e no go kill una. Una go spend una money. Money una no see spend for una wife. Una wife fit ask una for 5 naira. Una say una no get. Una wife fit ask una for 10 naira. Una say una no get. But una go see big money. Una go give una side chick for outside. That kind of thing, you know good. So I want beg all the married men, make una try, make una dey zip una pants, okay? Make una, like what happen now, that woman now, she's a widow. The children now, they are fatherless. Just because of 5 minutes pleasure, you know? And all these big men, when they say they get money, yafu, then they use them, they suppress the young boys for outside. If you see young girls now, they don't want to follow all these young boys anymore. Because the young boys, they know they feel they give them the pageant. When it be say, these rich men, they give them. You see all the Nigerian babes now, most of the Nigerian babes, they use iPhone 12 Pro. What it be say, me I don't even feel use for here. Because that phone, they're very expensive. You go see them with 2, 3 phones. Those can babe. Now one guy, when it be say, they earn civil salary. Now you say they get one follow. Or now you say they get one settle down with. How much the boy or the man go fit give to the girl when he be say he go even satisfy the girl? Because all these rich men don't already spoil them. And because of that, their mentality don't already change. Before they date any young man, they go say, oh, what do you think you have? You're giving me just 50,000 naira. What do you want me to do with this? Is it for gas or is it for fuel? You understand? The guy go like, oh, Mom, you know what it take for me to get this money? Do you know how much at the end of the month? When it be say I give you maybe 20K, you go just fling and throw away. Who you blame? Now the rich men, when it be say they spoil all these girls. Girls, they don't even want to settle down anymore. Because they don't want to lose the better and the money when it be say that they collect for all these rich men. And I want to talk to all these young girls. I take God beg una, make una put una head down. I know say money they go a long way, but sometimes you get money when it be say you want touch. you go end up losing your life. Or you go be say you want touch the money, wahala go just come. Sometimes money, if you want quick money, it dey cause big problem. Make una do handwork now. Nigeria these days, there's a lot of handwork where you say this young girls feeling. There is sewing, there's hairdressing. You feel learn how to do hair, which you be say will give you big money. You feel people they do all this decoration, makeup. You understand? People want to look beautiful. To do makeup now for Nigeria and akpaje. So make una learn handwork. Make una no dey put una eye for all those big organ, because all these big men when they be so una dey pursue, they enter skater, they book appointment for. Can you imagine? Say even before the man go say, where do you want us to do? The lady go say, hang on. I get better joints. I get hotel. I get where they go call. They don't know all the whole place finish because they very busy. Then take them as full time. I bet that time when you busy, when they chase all the married men, they go. Make una use and test settle them. Make una carry una yanshi down for grand. Make una learn trading. There's a lot of trading to learn in Nigeria. Like I say, a lot of stuff, even to cater food now for wedding, if they give you as a contract, you're going to make a lot of money. If they carry you as makeup artist, you know how much? That one a big money. If you go learn how to tie gele, now big money. If you learn how to sew, now big money. Any handwork when it be say you do and you do and well, trust me, you will benefit it at the long run. It's better than all of you sitting down looking for all those rich men. And you know some this men fit carry una go hotel now, maybe rich one. They use them to do money. Una parents go, they run, or they look for their pikin, they go. A lot of stuff is going on with all these big men that is carrying this. Hi Betsy, thank you joining. Thank you for joining. I want to thank everybody for joining. Please invite your friends, share this video. So we are talking about zip up. You know, these married men, they need to zip their pants up. And the ladies need to look for a handwork to do. At least if they do handwork, you get correct bobo when the be say you date. Anything they give you, they're satisfied. Because all these rich men where they see outside there, most of them, their wife, now every day they call, so anyone will want to take my wife, my husband, any woman will want to do this, or anyone will want to do this. And you see these rich men, they can promise you heaven and earth. They feel build you mansion. They feel buy you car. All this quick money, what una they find where they cause commotion here and there. They come put una for house. Now your house now then they spend 24 hours. Una say na milk and honey. It's just temporary. You know they last. By the time the man don't do you, don't dump you for grand. You go to say, Papa God, I need husband. And most of these rich men, they don't want to make you born for them. Maybe you go don't do like 10 abortions, 6 abortions. When you don't ready to settle down, make you marry your own husband. Hey, ete, wahala don't come. You go to look for pikin, they go. You don't know say all those things when you don't do that time when you be young girl. Now you won't settle down. You don't see life. You don't enjoy life. You don't do all. No more thing what you go do. You want to settle down. You don't see correct bobo when it be say na your dream. You don't come true. But to call pikin na wahala because you don't remove all the pikin for that rich man. Or you even say you want to settle down, the man say, okay, manage, born for me. You born for him. The wife go carry gbese, carry wahala, come meet you. I take God beg all the young girls, anywhere one a day. Those ones wey no get handwork. Those ones wey they go school too. Una fit they go school, they learn handwork. So not be you go to go school, you go to stand for road. They look for lifts, they look for quick money. You know, they go they call somebody, make it connect you. Can you introduce me? Can you connect me? Connect you to a stranger where you don't know. You don't know what that man go use you do at the end of the day. The man feel even drug you. The man feel do 1 or 2 things to you. You not go know just because of quick money. Whenever when they do something like that, make una remember una family. Make una remember una brothers. Make una remember una mama. Make una remember una papa. Because by the time you don't get a date to a new face where you never see before, carry you go hotel. Now only God know whether you go come out for that hotel. Or where una go lodge. Now only God know whether you go come out. The money not be the problem. You won't collect big money for the man hand. But you don't know what in the man too they go after. Whether I want use it for ritualism, whether I want use it for your own benefit, You no know. So I beg, make una settle down, make una learn handwork. Because anything worth doing is doing well. Learn handwork. Take care of yourself. You understand? Any lady when it be say that they go school or that they learn something, your mama want quick money. They chase you, say, go see Cecilia, she don't build house. Go see Janet, she don't build house. Go see this one, she don't build house. I beg, make una no listen to una mama for that kind of advice. The reason why I say make una no listen, because now she won't push you go do what you don't want to do. Because you don't know how Janet and Peter or Janet and Gracie till they make her own money. This one are people when I know say do not get office work or don't know they do anything. They just stay house at night. They will carry their bag. Your parents want imitate you, say see go see what in that one they do. When una tell una parents say una no want quick money, una want just do una own jejeje. God they always they make way for people. That is one thing. And the thing is that una need to put effort to make sure say yes, you are still trying your best. So I beg all these men, make una stay in a house. All these rich men, make una carry una wife, they walk up and down where una want go. Make una already suppress all the young girls where they outside because also una get smoke budget for hand. Because na budget and the motor una they drive, now they drive those young girls crazy. One girl go get almost 10 sugar daddies. 10. Hi, 11 News. Thank you so much for joining, man. Happy Sunday to you. You go see one girl go get 6 sugar daddy. They will get calendar where they take a book date. Mr. John, I have him at 2 o'clock. Mr. Peter, I have him at 6:30. Let me cancel my appointment with Mr. John because I know Mr. John, he will not settle me compared to Mr. Peter. Can you imagine? You they get all those calendar date for men. Instead of you to get calendar, how you go take study, how you go take learn work, how life go take better for you and your family. Because all those rich men where you they see so, they're not gonna marry you put for household. The ones who want use you as handbag, at the end of the day, they go use you for ritual, use you for something else. May God not let that one happen. So please, all the youngest, mokuna be careful. Mokuna stay away from married men, oh. Mokuna stay away. Especially those ones who get money, when they be say they want to entice una. Mokuna stay away. Because see, they say, fish where they sweet, it get bone. So na sense, now they eat fish where they sweet, when they be say, the bone no go choke you for neck. So I beg, mokuna be careful. Mokuna learn handwork. Mokuna do what una supposed to do. And all these rich men, when it be say, una no know from nowhere that they connect una here and there. When you go now, they get website where they say they connect people. Make I tell una one thing. HIV is real. Staphylococcus is real. Gonorrhea is real. They get a lot of venereal diseases when it be say those men go even give those girls. After you can they cure disease they go. You can they cure gonorrhea. HIV said it not get cure even though it get treatment, but it not get cure. I beg all those men when they date, when it be so when they sleep around with. Hi, Miss Bello, thank you so much for joining. So I beg all these men when it be say una they date up and down they go. Make una be careful, make una dey wise, because anything will enter body, they come out. All those diseases, all those nyama thing when it be say I mention, because those men when I want sleep with, a lot of them when want give una big money, they no agree make una use condom for them. Then see say una dey pretty, una get figure 8, una get backyard, una get front. Una belle come flat. What did they call that one? Say figure 8. You get name where they call them? I don't know that name. I beg. Hi Julia, thank you so much for joining. I beg. I want to go beg una. Mokuna no use eye. They look people like that too, because you don't know what's in their body. A man fit settle you with maybe 1 million today. He give you disease. That 1 million no go cure the disease. Make una stay away from marriage men and stranger when he be say una no. I take God beg una. Make una sit down. Make una look for una own man. Make una not they sleep around just because of quick money. And those men, if una love una wife dearly, una know say una family matter to una. Before una do anything, make una look una family, una live for house. Because there are some dangerous ladies out there. They are so wild. Those ladies, if you see them, you just say they calm. Na lie yo. Na terror, na them be. They can terrorize the whole zone. Make una no look them like that. So before una do anything, we be say una friend one can they introduce una to babes. Oh, come, I have some babes, man. Let's go have fun. Have fun. You don't know whether at the end of your fun now it go be. Like that man now, when he be say in family they Abuja, in the Lagos, 21-year-old stabbed that man to death. After the man don't high. You know go fit fight now. How person wey don already dey high go fit dey struggle. Maybe that girl too, she know how to take the gbana. She's a professional in taking gbana. And the man now maybe he introduce them to am because you want enjoy. You do one, you do two, you want enjoy, you want high. You high now, you don't high, go heaven. You leave your family, you leave your wife, you leave your children. For what? If you too enjoy, maybe 5 minutes enjoyment or 20 minutes enjoyment, how about waiting now? See the way COVID, they kill everybody. Since last year, people they run, make COVID no kill them. It can't be say, now 20 minutes enjoyment, and I can't just kill that man. Thank you so much, Cynthia, for joining. 20 minutes enjoyment, now kill the man. After running away from COVID, the way we all they scared for COVID. At the end of the day, God don't save you from COVID. COVID no kill you. Now 20 minutes enjoyment, I just can't kill you. I beg those men, make una be careful. Before una do anything, make una they consider una family. As I they talk am for women's side, now so they take am for man's side. Those men too, all these women will be say una they get dates, una they get calendar with. Make una consider una wife for house. Una go sleep with them now. Una carry disease. Una carry go give una wife. Innocent woman wey just sit down, they faithful to her husband. Una carry disease go give am. If una get HIV, una give am. Because your wife don't go tell you, say, hey, Oga, you just come from travel, you need to do HIV test. Or Oga, you just come for travel, you need to do gonorrhea test. Or Oga, you just come for travel, I need to make sure say you dey okay before you sleep. We wife, we not go do that one. Because, and you cannot deny your husband's sex. But meanwhile, the man don't already go booze for outside. He don't sleep with all kind of girls. They don't carry and go heaven, carry and come down, carry and go side, carry and go here. Then you won't go house. That same body. You tell your wife, may your wife can't open leg. Not knowing what you don't already contact from that person outside. Your wife can't open leg now. Bese don't come. If you carry HIV, you carry give her. You carry gonorrhea, you carry give her. At the end of the day, the woman will treat herself. You go to treat yourself. The children go there. Let me tell you one thing. You know, say, enjoyment good. But you get some enjoyment where you go enjoy when you be say it go cost your life. Money where you supposed to they do better thing. You go use until they treat yourself, they treat your wife. Now the children don't go school anymore because no money anymore. Food where you they eat before berekete, where you be say you they select what you want eat. You don't go feel they select anymore because now, do you know how much it costs for HIV drugs? It's expensive in Nigeria. Make I tell you now, no. Your money go the pump, they go for HIV medication for you and your wife. While you are doing that, the things you're supposed to do for the children and supposed to do for the house, you're not going to be able to do it anymore because now you they fear make you not die. Or you they fear make your wife not die. But there are so many ways you can avoid all this yama thing. The only way you feel avoid them, I beg, if you marry, trust now your wife now. Your wife can give it to you anyhow you want them. Like I said, people when they travel for 2 days, 3 days, if you know make love for 2 days, 3 days, it not go kill you. You don't go come out anything for your body. And these days, you want people make them easy. Maybe your John Thomas stand like this, brother, and your wife know they there. Just call them. Hi, baby. How you doing? Are you sleeping? I'm just thinking about you. You know, when you see your wife alone, you can be wet. You can even release. And that day has taken care of himself. Whether you believe me or not, it worked for some people. And even if it didn't work for you, the main you hearing the voice of your wife and the interruption and the discussion, the interruption when I get and the discussion when the person when I get, if you want to do something like that, you no go even fit do am anymore. Because at the end of the day, your wife don't put smile to your face. Doing that kind of thing, if you really get conscience, your conscience go dey judge you. I tell God beg una, make una dey faithful to una wife. I no say e no dey easy, because they say men, they are like a dog, or they are like a goat. When they see she goat, they no want rest. I know say una no go fit keep una body, but at least if you know say go cost you your life, no try am. No try am. Make una try, make una hold una self. Make una try, make una dey faithful to una wife. Because the kind of thing where they go on everywhere now, una no know. Now only God na I know. But I pray may God help us. Because everything what you do, you have to put God first. And if you know say you be the calm man when it be say you know if you stay 2 days, 3 days when you travel because of job, maybe na job they carry you, they travel. I bet carry your handbag, follow body. I don't see some men when it be say if they go for outside work, if it's like a week, they carry their wife. I have seen they go lodge for the hotel where the company give them. Their wife go there with them. You know, like all these things is planning. Let's say you know that I'm going to travel in the next 1 month or 2 months, and you know say you are going for a week or 2 weeks, your wife can put in her vacation. If now 1 week she stay with you, she come back. I'm talking about those men when they be say they desperate, they no fit stay with that chook in a day. Because this chooking when you the chook, so not be food. The reason why beside they sound like this, be say, not just another woman, and not just be widow. Just for 25 minutes enjoyment or 20 minutes enjoyment. Habana, come on now. It don't make any sense. Before una do anything, una dey reason with una wife, una children, una family. Because if you live today, now what will happen to your family? And you get some women when it be say they married too, job they carry them travel. It can be a week, it can be 2 days, it can be 3 days. I beg make una hold una self. Because this thing when I dey talk, so as they happen to man, now so they happen to woman, not be only one person. So, but at the same time, we go pray, may God help us. But the only way when it be say we need to avoid all these things, now make we dey honest to ourselves. May God help us. You understand? Make we dey do the right thing. So we're going to take a short break. You know, make we listen to more music for about 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then we go come back. Because all these things what we dey talk, so we need something wey go ginger us when e be say go dey enter our brain. Because some people feel here and now, like all those men when e be say they go something she dey talk, I beg go sit down there, bo. Now only ogbolo now I go dey eat. I no go eat egusi. I no go eat this. I no go eat bitter leaf. Now they say egusi and bitter leaf what you dey eat for outside, now they cost people life. Because you want eat varieties. Make I tell una. You see this kuchi when e be say una dey do every day. Now the same thing. Now only the position and the style and the method where you take one, now it dey different. Because I don't talk am before. Say if na that one they give you enjoyment, the kind way where the woman they do one. Because make I tell una some men they when it be say the way women they perform for them, all those young girls they perform for them for outside, they climb them like horse ride. They're gonna do them like horse ride. If they reach house, they know they introduce them to their wife. But meanwhile, now what they like be that, and then make them they go outside. So if you don't say you like him, every day you sleep with your wife, you know they won't think about your wife. Your mind don't go far. Sometimes you go even they sleep with your wife, they do your gigolo. But meanwhile, your wife, your mind no day for that thing when you do with your wife. As you they do and you they think about that your sidekick, the way she they ride you. Why you not tell your wife, make she do the same thing to you? Your wife, you say, oh, I can't do it and all that. There's a way you will introduce it to your wife. Because anything when you they find outside there where that woman they give you, your wife will do the same thing. You just have to introduce it to her. But meanwhile, like I say, You have to. Let's listen to this music, okay? It's by Monique. So if you are just joining, this is your one and only Precious Coco in the house. Like I said, Coco is for sugar and honey. And also, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please try and do so. My YouTube channel is Precious Coco. And also, my business page on Facebook is Precious Coco. Please, if you have not been following me on that page, I will love and I will encourage and I would like you to do so. And please, when you do so, hit the notification button so that whenever I'm on live, you will be notified. Because I will soon be using my business page. Please, I'm encouraging people to go in there and sign so I can get more followers and more people for me to start with that page. Please. For my love on you. That's why when I wake in the morning I sing my praise to you. In the night, oh, and you never know. And you never Hi Noye, thank you for joining. How you doing? Happy Sunday. Please share this video, like this video. Please share it, share it. Happy Sunday, everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you all for joining. I appreciate you guys. Please share this video, like this video, invite your friends. I want to thank everybody for supporting me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, guys, I am back. This is your one and only Precious Coco in the house. I want to appreciate everybody for joining. So what we are discussing today is about zip up. For those men that can't zip their pants up, for those men that cannot stay for 2 or 3 days without having jingolo because they are away from their wife, those are the people that we are talking to. And for all the women, when they be settled and they travel, they know they feel they hold themselves, because some ladies too, when they be say they marry, job they carry, then they work out, they get sugar daddy. No be only men. So I beg, if you know say you get sugar daddy for outside, when they be say your husband no, because of say you they travel, the man no there with you, you station for that place, so you get your own sugar daddy. When they be say they take care of you, when you go house, your husband will take care of you. When you there where you there, the sugar daddy will take care of you. I tell God, beg you, before you do anything, make you they think about your own family, make you they think about your children, make you they think about your loved one, because 1 minute or 2 minutes enjoyment can destroy your home. Some men, their head in all their house. If you plant camera, maybe the job where they do, they make correct budget. If you plant camera, after they don't ride you, you don't scream, you don't shout, you don't go heaven, you don't come back. They go when they use them, they blackmail you. And meanwhile, the things where you can't do for us, they feed them again, because the blackmailer they outside. He go tell you, say if you don't give us social amount, he go release the video. A lot of people don't die because of that. Why? Because you don't want disgrace. Number one, you don't want disgrace from your husband. You don't want disgrace from your family. You don't want disgrace from your children. You don't want disgrace from your friends. Especially when you be prominent woman, the position where you dey, you be say na executive, na correct position now you dey, and that kind person won't take advantage of you. They tell you, say, madam, if you not give me so money, I will release this tape. Why? Because of 5 minutes enjoyment. Why you don't avoid all those things? Because a lot of bad men, especially those boys, when you see say them chest out, they get muscles. You go say, now this one feel really do the job. Your husband knows sabi do am. You don't know say that kind of person, na terror, na it be. Professional. You go not ready schedule. You go not already book the hotel. You know they there. You go don't plant small camera. Or even if you not plant and say, because of say the way they do, your brain don't whine. You can't carry phone. You go say, Sefi, you're the enjoy, you're the do video, you're the do like this, you go to enjoy the thing. That time when in the video you don't already go planet 10. Now when you don't do finish, when it be say you don't want to do again, you want to be faithful to your husband, or you want to be committed, or what you they do now sin, now you don't be sober, you want turn back, you want retrieve. The man go say, oh mom, madam, you know they go anywhere. This one will do or die. We go do them until I say it don't day enough. This time around, the man not day in control. He go say, until I say I am satisfied, until I said I am not doing, that is when you will say you are not doing. Hi, Sister Sylvia. Thank you so much for joining. The man go say, no, madam, you must do. What will you do? Now, you don't turn to puppy for where the man dey. Because the man is not in charge. Why? Because of the video when the man gets. Now that one him take hold you. Now that one him take hold your neck. You cannot cry to anybody. Because why? Now your foolishness. Now 5 minutes enjoyment where you want to enjoy. Now so you go, they take care of the man family. They take care of your own need. Just because of say you know one made the guy release the video when he take between two of una. So please, all these married women when they be so una marry, make una dey faithful to the husband. Make una they go outside, go to do chuku 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 chuku. If you like the way the man they chook you for outside, you don't say you like that you they enjoy me, they drive you crazy. So if you do and sometimes you go throw away your wig. Why you not tell your husband make you do the same thing to you? Because for real, you can introduce anything that make you satisfied, where they make your hair go, they swell like pot. You can introduce it to your husband. I know say some local champion husbands there. When they be say if their wife say, oh God, do this side, go say go and sit down. Who teach you this side? Where you for learn them? Where you they go? So you they go out. Some men then they're foolish. When their wife introduce new method, now in short, it go be problem for that house that day. You go say, you must tell me where you for learn this new method, where you just bring come. Instead of to follow along, tag along with your wife, say, okay, honey, let's try it. Teach me how to do it. There's no shame in doing that. Now two of una, now your wife, now your husband. So if you say do this position, do them. You not do them, you go do them for outside. Is that what you want? As far as it's not hurting you, it's not paining you, do them. So please, I want advice both side, man, woman. If you marry, man, are they faithful to her husband? And even all the single ones, when they be say they no marry, they get boyfriend. Man, can still be careful because that man know they date only you one. If you say you be sugar in his tea, honey in his cup, you still get another sugar in the tea and honey in the cup outside. So you are not just. It's not just only you. It's not. As far as it's not your husband, you gotta protect yourself. You gotta use condom. If the man say no one use condom, tell him make it ballet. Because a lot is going on that you cannot even tell. It's not your husband. It's not, you just say now let you want your friend. I better go sit down there. Even married men said they hardly they faithful to their wife. How much more single guy? You can't the chingom only you want. So that what it. So if you babangida picking, even if you babangida picking said, you know go chingom only you want. The reason why they talk on condom protects a whole lot of stuff. They protect for you not to get pregnant, diseases and all that. You understand? After all, you go keep yourself. You know go do abortion because abortion is sin. But sometimes people do it. But to avoid all that one, why you not use condom? And they might not be your husband self. Make I tell you now, some men they have some fantasy for ladies. You get some men when it be say the kind girl where they like, now the one we get big breasts, get big behind. get flat tummy. That one na wetin the guy dey fantasize on. So he go crazy for you. He go do whatever it takes to keep you, and he go do whatever it takes to dey cheer you up, to take you go everywhere. But guess what? If you see another woman again outside, hi Sister Esther, thank you for joining. If you see another woman for outside wey get the same shape when you get, wey dey drive am crazy, he go jump up onto that one again, making 2. You see 3, you go go. You see 4, you go. So you no be the only one. Trust me. So I beg, keep yourself. Use condom. No let any man pregnant you say abort. Tomorrow you will get problem. When you don't ready to marry, you know go see husband marry. Hey, Mr. Ayo, thank you for joining. How are you today? So what's at the top? Be say, make una keep una safe. When man say open leg, tell her make you use condom. If you say no go use condom, tell her make you waka. This one are for the single ladies, so now they talk. We never marry. No be the married women. I don't done with married women and married men. This one are for the single ladies. So all those men when you see say they go want drive you crazy, they feel buy you Mercedes, they feel buy you anything. Nothing say you be the only one, because the same thing when you get for your body, another person gets the one way better pass that one. So as far as the man no marry you, you be boyfriend and girlfriend, I beg, let her use condom. If you say no they use condom, tell her make it ballet. Because if you don't use condom now, you feel get disease. If you don't get disease, you feel they pregnant. You they pregnant, and you might say you're not ready to get children. What do you want to do? He said make you abort am. You go abort am, of course, because of the money and the pageant where the man they give you. You go abort am because you still want those pageant, make it they flow in. Maybe you don't do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you want settle down, now you don't get pikin. You go to send and wish whether your village now they disturb you. You go to pray to God 24/7. Whereas God go say, my daughter, I have already given you signs that you should leave this guy, that you should not do that, that you should not do this. But you know they hear the sign because of all the pageant and the enjoyment when the be say you do cruise with the man. The only way you go let any man penetrate into your body without condom, the man has to be your husband. Even husband self, now God down with a pray, may have mercy, because they say they go outside. We don't get choice for that one. The same thing with the single guys. Some single guys now they go for women pageant. They go for women stars. They go for the what did the woman get. And those women too, they'll not be the only one, because oga wey dey on top of them, fit dey hammer them. And you now, where they fantasize, they go crazy for the woman too. You don't know what the woman they carry. So all these things just get us to be. Best, make we just try. Just try. I don't say no they easy. Just try. Do the right thing. Now that word now I won't use, because I don't know which word I go use. So anyway, I think I have to end right here. They said a word is enough for the wise. They say if they advise pikin wey get papa, the one wey no get papa, he go dey hear the advice wey the one wey get papa they give to him pikin. So I want beg everybody, may they take care of themselves. Not only take care of themselves, may they do the right thing. Not only do the right thing, whenever you do something, if you get family, first of all, put your family for front. If I do this thing, will it affect my family? If I do this, what is going to happen? If I do this, is it going to be the right thing? You guys have to think about all these things, before you take any step. Because life is precious. Family is everything. Not let one stupid 5 minutes enjoyment jeopardize your home, jeopardize your family. I'm telling you. Because you see this kuchi, it don't kill, it don't save, it don't make some people they rich, it don't make some people they poor, it don't make some people they useless, it don't make some people they normal. So I don't even know which one they will choose for inside. That's why I say I don't know the right word to use. Than say, we use our number 6, and whatever you do anything, think about your family first. So I want to thank everybody for joining in. I know it's Sunday, you could be with your family, you could be doing something else, but because you love me and you like my show, or one thing or the other is drawing you to my show, keep coming, please. I want to thank you all. I want to appreciate everyone for joining. God will bless you. Please share this video, subscribe, like I said, to my YouTube channel and all that. Please subscribe. So right now, we're going to go for more music for like 2 seconds. Then we'll call it a day. Then tomorrow, we will start from where we begin. So like I said, Today is all about Christian music that we are going to play today. We're not playing no hip hop. We're not playing no paparazzi. Last week we do Edo. So I'm just gonna be flipping it up and down like that. So please follow me. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Shake your head with me. Shake your body with me. You understand? Just for a second. So let's listen to this. I think I like this mix. So thank you all for joining. I love you guys. Jesus, there's nothing he cannot do. There's nothing he cannot do. You just have to have faith. You have to believe in him. God can do anything that is impossible. Huh? Yes, so. There is nothing you cannot do. There is nothing you cannot do. I want to thank all my viewers, my subscribers, my liker, my sharer. Thank you all so much for joining. Hi, DJ Easy Okosu. Thank you for joining. Please, if you are just joining, share this video, subscribe to this video. I love all of you. Let's listen to this music. There is nothing you cannot do. There is nothing you cannot do. Yes, so thank you all for joining. I love you guys. Yes, so there is nothing you cannot do. There is nothing you cannot do. Alright guys, this is your one and only Precious Cocoa in the house. Cocoa is for sugar and honey. And if you are just joining, we are discussing about zip up. It could be men, it could be women, it could be young girls, single, and all that. So all these that we discuss today apply to you guys. So I beg we could take care of ourselves, and next week we're going to rub mind together. We're going to talk. We're going to talk about the silly things men are doing and the silly things women are doing. Because trust me, there are some men that does a lot of silly things and there are some women that does a lot of silly things. So we are going to rub our mind together. So tomorrow, same time, same here, we are going to be here. I want to thank all of you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Precious Cocoa. Subscribe to my business page, which is Precious Cocoa, because I'm not using it right now because I don't have a lot of followers. So please, I am trying to build that page. If you have not been following me on that page, please do so, and God will bless you. I love you guys. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, like I say. So don't do any silly thing, no. Do the right thing. Even if I'm not washing you, Papa God will up the wash you. Thank you all. I love you guys so much. Please share this video, subscribe. I'm going to keep saying that because that is the only way I will have my viewers. Thank you and remain blessed, okay? Bye for now. You never disappoint. You never ever fail. People on the level to love. Jesus, the lover of my soul. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Please share this video. Subscribe to my Instagram at precious_. How are you? Thank you so much for joining. I love everyone. I love you guys. Never fail me. Jesus, there is nothing you cannot do. Thank you guys. I will see you guys next week, same time. We're going to discuss about the silly things men do and about the silly things women do. So we're going to rub our minds together, okay? See you guys. Remain and stay blessed.